Good afternoon, guys, and today we're gonna finally do another Anki with me again. It's been a while since the last one. I don't even remember. Let me double check when the last time was here on YouTube. Let me see if I can find a YouTube somewhere. I think the last one was in. Let's see. Let me pause the autoplay here. Last one was 4 weeks ago, probably. So we're back at it. If you're new to the channel, check out the links in the description. That's all the information you need. And let's get to Anki, and hopefully I can get Anki up here. And let's see. So yeah, by the way, we're trying to grow the community on this, not Discord. We're growing it on Discord too, but on Twitch. So hit the follow stuff. That would be awesome. Thanks. And yeah, so we're gonna focus on the programming ones. Here are some of my decks. I've been making some silly Imba aliases typos. Yeah, the deck here is created with Notion to Anki, which is an amazing tool which we created, and it actually was created here live on stream. So let me drop the link to the repository on GitHub, and let me know in the chat how the microphone is. Hopefully it's good. You can see some issues on the camera overlay. Maybe I can fix those. Can I fix those? I think I fixed it. Looks fixed, right? Yeah, hopefully it's fixed. So let me try to position myself. I'm trying to memorize some of the aliases in Imba too, and I have some hot water here, so I may set on a Pomodoro for 20 minutes. Yeah, let's get started. Border top left radius, that's gonna be, what's that gonna be? BDLT? No, RDT. That's the same as the last one we just saw. Border top left radius. Nice. Bottom. Justify content. BCB. Yeah. BDR. What is that again? Border right. Yeah. JAS. JAS. No, that's wrong. That was JAC. RDTR, RDBR. It's going to be. This is RDT. Nice, RDR. Radius top right. Radius bottom right. Radius right. Ah, I see. Radius bottom left. That's BC. JAS, JAS. RDT, RDBTR. No, RDBTL, because this is radius top left, radius top right. Okay. BST. Border bottom left. Oh yeah, this one is tricky. RDLR. RDLBL. What's the alias for TDS? Yeah, I don't. Text decoration style? Text decoration style. Yes, remember that. So let me know in the chat how the mic is. I hope it's good, but I wish we could play some music, but I'm worried about the copyright stuff. Maybe we can find some copyright-free music. Does anyone in the chat know if we can find... Let me look here on Google. I think I found something. I'm just gonna let it play in the background. Let me know how it is. Hopefully it's not too loud. I think this should be safe to play copyright. Not, yeah, let's see. So RD is border radius. FLD is flex direction. LH is line height. VA is vertical align. Margin Y is MT. Yeah. Place self. Bam. I think the music is helping. My memorization is kicking in from the music. Feels good. We have 16 minutes left for the first round. We have 139. Yeah, we have to speed this up. Background position. Grid areas. Yeah, it was singular. Width. Grid column start. Text decoration center. Oops, that was wrong. That was text decoration color. MB. Text decoration line. RDR. Radius right. So radius B and RDBT. RDTR. Okay. Border style. Border top style. TDSK. No, TDS. TDSI. FLB. RG. RDTL. Radius top left. Radius bottom left. RDT. Radius. I don't understand this one. This one is confusing. MT. PE. BSR. Opacity O. GAC. PY. BBW. Border width bottom. Okay, I see. PR. Yeah, this one's confusing. BWL. There. BSB. FS. Grid autoflow. GAF. TES. TET. BWR. Yeah. GC. I'm starting to get a hang of it now. GRS. BB. Oh, that was wrong. RDTB. And radius bottom right. Text decoration skip ink. Flex basis. Row gap. RD. I don't know what this one is. Forgotten it. MT margin top. Place events. Pointer events. Border style. Opacity. Grid auto columns. PY. What is that? I have no idea. PY. Oh yeah, it's PT. So it's basically padding bottom, padding top. It's very confusing with the double shorthands. Border bottom width. PR. I don't remember. Padding right. Border left width. Border bottom style. Font size. GAF. I don't remember. Oh, wait. Grid autoflow. Yeah. Text emphasis size. No, text emphasis style. Text emphasis thickness. Border right width. Grid column. Grid row start. Border bottom. This is JAC. No. BGI, PC, BG, GRG, OY, OF, FLG. I have to wonder. Just J. No, I was wrong. JA. Okay. Because it's justifying and then aligning as well. Okay. BCL, ML, FLW, RDL, radius left, radius top left, radius bottom left, RDTB, RDBL, okay, PB, align content, background image, place content, background, grid row gap, overflow Y, flex scroll, align content, justify, align items, no idea, justify content, okay, border left color, margin left. Oh, we're down to 62. Let's hit the sync button and then continue. Let's see, what's the alias for A? Align content. Align content. I don't remember. Align items. Okay. Justify content. Align content maybe. Yeah. Flex wrap. PB. What's the alias for AI? D. BT. Oops, that one was wrong. That's BDT. So again, let me have some water. And in case you're wondering, why does this guy only have 2 buttons? That's an add-on from Gillem. Thanks Gillem for making the add-on. I'll have a link in the description for it if I remember. GA, justify content, align content. Test. Yeah, we have to skip this one, I don't remember. PB, padding bottom. Align items. Display. Border top. OFX. O. OF. FF. BL. So all of the border stuff has BD, I guess BD here. BDTC, BC, oh, it's so confusing. RDRR, okay. J, GTR, OFA, T, tween, also weird. Content that after suffix, GCG, BCR, yeah, CG, GTA, that's a nice game. JC, TextDSI, that was wrong. POC, POS, BR, right, BRB, okay, GRE, BTW, no wait, BWT, just for content, just for, no idea what's that and, OFX, overflow X, overflow, font family, border left, border top color. I think I'm getting a hang of this. Radius top right. Border right radius. Okay, that was wrong. Align content. Grid. GTR grid template rows. overflow anchor, transition, content at after, grid column gap, border right color, column gap, grid template areas. I always get confused by the plural at the end, so what's the alias for JC? Justify content. Text emphasis skip ink. Wait, whoop, that was wrong. Have to repeat that one. Justify items, align items. Position. Radius bottom right. Grid row end. Border width, border top width. R. Text shadow. TS. R. Right. Text shadow. BTLR. This is going to be RLT. RDTL. JA. RDT. No. Radius. No, bottom radius left. Okay, that's wrong. Radius top. Radius top left. RDTL. Yeah. Border bottom left radius. RD, that's at least going to be the RD and then something else. RDLB. Oh yeah. No, that's wrong. RDBL. Okay, yeah, I see. Grid area. Text decoration. Color, okay, I missed that. Radius right, so it's going to be RDTR. Yeah. BST. So border top style. TDSI. Radius top left, radius bottom left. So RDT. No, it's RDT. No, okay, I see. BWB. BDB. RDBR. RDTL. PE. Pointer events. Yeah. BSR. Border right style. PR. I have no idea. Bar padding right. Okay. Align content. JAC. OFY. JA. I'm just guessing, really. RDL. Radius left. Radius top left. Radius bottom left. So RDBL. Nice. We're starting to memorize this. Anki works. Sorry, got some water. I drank that too fast. We have 3 minutes left before the first break, so let's do this. Sorry. Hopefully coughing is gonna stop. Don't remember that. Align items. BT. Oops, that was wrong. Again. Justify content. Align content. Justify items. Oh. Oops, that was too fast. BDL. Yeah. BCT. RDBT. Again. JAC. No, JAI. Okay, so JAI. I see. Transition is going to be just T. Tween. TDSI. Good. RDBR. Yeah. GA. Just find the icon yourself. Align items. Radius top right. Text emphasis. Skipping. Radius bottom right. So it's gonna be border right radius and border bottom right radius. RD TL JA JAC. 50 seconds left approximately. What's the RDR? Border left radius. RDBL. Text decoration color. Radius top left, radius bottom left. I want to say RDL. Yeah, let's say RDL. Nice. I don't remember this. Padding right, okay. So, nice, 14 left. We're gonna take a 5-minute break and then come back. So. Okay, so I'm back. Usually I pause the music when I'm back, but let's just keep it running. So where were we? Yeah, let me set on the timer actually, so I don't forget it. Set it to 20 minutes again, and let me have some water. Nice. It's not so warm, but it's still a little bit in there. So align content, align items, JAI? No. Oh yeah, okay, I have to remember the first letter of the ones which are in the array. So what's the JA? And this one has the item, so it's gonna be J. Okay, let's see. Align content, justify items, align items. Justify content. BT. Oops, that one was wrong. BDT. Because border always has the BD now. So O. Okay, OF. Because O is being used by something else. I don't remember what it was, but yeah. BTRR or RDBTR. RDBTR. Wait, RDRT. RDTR, okay. J? JI. Tween. Border top right. Radius, okay, border top right radius. Justify content. Justify items. Text, emphasis skipping. That's text decoration. RDBR. Border right radius. JAC, not JA. Again, border right, border left radius, border bottom left radius, padding right. JAI. I'm getting a little bit annoyed. BDT there. OF. RDB. No, RDTR. Yeah. JAI. Border top right radius. Justify content. Text decoration skipping. Border right radius. JAC. Nope. A. Justify items. Border border bottom right radius. A. There, we did it. Let's see if we can get through the CSS grid one too. Align self into. Okay, so it's along the row axis. So this is going to be space within, and I think that's going to be the under rows too, right? Yeah, looks good. This just defines the number of columns. Yeah, both. This is going to be on the column level, right? Let me actually update that on. So do I have? I don't think I have. Yeah, I don't think I want to add the image because it's like there's too many variations. Let me leave that one for later. I'll come back to it. Grid row just defines the number of rows for the grid. Good. Align content and. So this is gonna align again on the row or the y-axis. Or the column axis. This is again gonna be in the bottom left corner. Oh no, okay. Yeah, I have to think. So it's gonna start from the first column and then span all the way to the end. No, that was on the. Sorry, I read wrong. It's on the row, right? Again, just for content and. This one should be in the bottom left corner. Okay, upper right corner. This one is going to be on the middle of the screen. No, so it's just on the middle on the one axis. This one I think is going to be on the upper left corner. Yeah. So Anki isn't really good for these kinds of things, so we really should figure out a better approach. So I don't. There's going to be more space in the between the columns. So on the x-axis, there's going to be more space, less on the y-axis. Yeah, it looks right. Let me fix up the syntax highlighting on this one thing. So I have this one plugin in Anki for syntax highlighting. but I don't have any way to apply it automatically, so this is how it's gonna look. Oh, this looks so... So the two first columns are gonna have the same size. The last one is gonna take up the available space, and then the same happens for the row in the middle. Yeah, that looks about right. So let me fix up the syntax highlighting. Should look better now. Good. And so we're gonna have a row that just a white block that goes like this, I think. Ah, that was totally wrong. I expected it to go all the way to the end, but it looks like it only spanned by 2. So let's add syntax highlighting for that one too, and again, justify items along the row axis is going to be like this again. This is going to be the column axis. I think, yeah. Again. This one is going to be in the top left corner, right? Oops, what happened? This one is actually empty. That's weird. No image even. Let's remove it from the deck. Grid column defines the number of columns. Let's see. Yeah. So it's gonna have a column that starts right after the second one and then goes all the way to the end. No, so it started right after the first one actually, yeah. Let's fix up the syntax highlighting for this one. Let me memorize. So the shortcut for changing syntax highlighting is Alt plus S. I'll remember that for reference later. Oops, I think I added some white space. Let me remove that. Again, align content stretch. Is this going to be in the upper left corner too? Yeah. This is a typo. I fixed it. This is the same. Oh, this is horrible. I think I have to fix up some of these cards because it's kind of hard to read them. Again. It's just gonna be like this on the column axis. Yeah, good. This is gonna be on the row axis. Yeah. Yeah, so I get it, but why do they look like that? That's weird. I'll have to review this one. Let me fix up this one. So actually several of the cards here have really bad syntax highlighting. This is the default in Ocean to Anki. I wanted to add an option for code, but yeah, I haven't gotten around to doing that yet. Let's look at that again. So just adding 6 pixels of gap. And I think it's actually called just gap. Let me look at, actually let me fix up the, looks like there's a bug there with the image. So it was initially called grid gap and then it got changed. I'm not sure like what is the difference between the different ones. Display. So grid would use the grid model, but what does inline grid do? So I think here in the Mozilla docs it says the element behaves like an inline element. Result is content is equivalent to inline grid. And what's subgrid? Is there something called subgrid? Firefox 71 is the only browser to implement subgrid. I don't think I have to read this up later. Don't totally understand what subgrid is. I may add a to-do reminder here. To do read up on subgrid. So this is gonna, it's gonna start from first row and then end at the, yeah, so it's gonna take up 1, 2, I think that's, no, 1, 2, and then, yeah, so it's gonna take up 2 blocks. Yeah, exactly. Nice. Align self start. Okay, again. Content center. This is gonna be just like there. No, I was wrong. Let me fix up the syntax here. I think this is just going to be the last chunk, so all the way at the bottom. No, I was expecting it to be even further out, but that was wrong again. And again. Okay, so they're going to use all of the space, yeah. So the rows are gonna have less gap than compared to the column. Yeah. Let me double check that in the Mozilla docs. So it's gonna start top and then go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna take up 2 blocks. No, it took up 3 blocks. I think it's the span keyword then. Yeah, it adds gutters on the column and the row axis. Fix this one. We have 2 more minutes and then we're gonna wrap up. We got through several cards today. It's good. It's gonna be... yeah, it's just gonna take up 1 and it's gonna be in the mid... no wait, span 2. So it starts in the middle. 1... no wait, 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna take up 2 blocks. Yeah. It starts in the middle, takes up 2 blocks. Good. It's just gonna take up... yeah, 3. Rectangle. Align items. Yeah, I see. Okay. It's kind of hard visualizing all of this too. And see, justify self. So align is on the column, justify is on the row axis. Justify content along the column axis. No, that was wrong. Row. 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 Yeah, I think that's it. We have 20 seconds left. I'm gonna wrap up for now and then get this up on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like button, subscribe, and see you hopefully soon.